calling. I'm building 2 of Ginsberg Hospital and it's random lift sewer time. This building is so annoying and no many service lifts on this one. But in this building has very rare ceiling. I am the banner folder and the B building and if find service lifts there and this one and no many service lifts. And the other one find the service lift and this one. And no many service lifts. First, any of these buildings has a bullet place. This place is so advanced. But first, and the main and 2 lifts are generics. And now, what's in these doors? The service lift. Let's find it. Another generic. This very long lift. Now on the other 3 loops.